Welcome to the zoological world. Today we will discuss about Agama lizard. The Agama lizard live in small social groups consisting of a dominant male and several subordinate males and females. The Agama is a genus of lizards that lives throughout sub-Saharan Africa. There are more than 40 recognized species within this genus, but for the purpose of this article, the common Agama or red-headed Agama lizard will be the main focus unless otherwise mentioned. There are plenty of interesting facts to learn about the identification, habitat, reproduction, and behavioral adaptations of the African Agama lizard. Many people enjoy keeping them as exotic pets. Because of their relatively docile nature, they can get used to people handling them with enough time. Agama lizard facts. The large front teeth and powerful jaws are adaptations to help them eat large, hard prey. Males initiate courtship by bobbing their heads up and down. This has given it the alternative name of Kogelminder, or Little Mockingman, in the South African Afrikaans language. The Agama's colors will suddenly become brighter when it's alarmed or agitated in some manner. Agama lizard scientific name. The scientific name of the Agama genus is simply Agama. This name comes from a local West African word that means lizard. It belongs to a family of dragon lizards, Agamidae, that are common all throughout the Eastern Hemisphere. The scientific name of the common red-headed Agama lizard is actually Agama agama, which demonstrates how common and important it is within the genus. There is another group of lizards called the butterfly agamas, but they are part of a separate genus within the same family. Agama lizard appearance. Agamas come in a wide array of bright colors and distinctive body shapes that should make identification easier. For instance, the common Agama, also known as the red-headed Agama lizard, is characterized by brown muted colors around the body with a light stripe down the middle and 6 or 7 darker patches on the side. Dominant males tend to have a blue body and yellow head, whereas subordinate males and females tend to have olive green heads instead. Other important features include an exceptionally long tail, big head, external ear openings, and prominent eyelids. The size of the lizard can vary anywhere between 5 and 12 inches, sometimes even longer. This is about the same size as a human foot. Size is also one of the most important distinguishing characteristics between Agama lizard females and males. The males tend to be much larger than the females. Agama lizard behavior. Agamas live in small social groups that consist of a lead male, several Agama lizard females, and a few younger subordinate males. The structure of the group is rather loose and relaxed. There are no defined hierarchies apart from the lead male, also known as the cock, who has exclusive breeding rights with the females. Agamas are fairly docile animals, but dominant males can become quite aggressive in defense of mates and territory. They will typically show off their colors, lash their tails, or make a threat display when agitated or disturbed. Subordinate males must either establish their own territory or eliminate the current cock and take his place in order to mate with the females. If the current cock is challenged by an upstart, then he will stand in a prominent position and show off his throat pouch and bob his head up and down. If the intruder hasn't retreated, then the cock will charge at him with mouth open and colors displayed. They will then strike at each other with their tails to determine who is the most dominant male.